The C3 reliability is a significant part of our service to the oil and gas industry, but there are many offerings upstream, midstream, and downstream. Upstream, we've deployed virtual flow meters, we've performed production optimization in the upstream. In midstream, we can offer leak and restriction detection for pipeline integrity monitoring in LNG plants and refineries. We offer tools like what we've talked about today for their rotating equipment, heat exchangers, boilers, etc. And our inventory management and supply chain applications serve the downstream and retail industries. AI and ML in the C3 reliability suite enable the ability to predict future behavior. So instead of reacting to historized data, you're able to be proactive with predictions. With emergency maintenance being about 4 times more expensive and most shutdowns being unplanned, this presents a major opportunity for cost reduction and improved uptime. Today, we'll focus on that small rectangle highlighting the reliability suites, but it's part of a larger and connected enterprise AI solution. So when we talk about the C3 reliability suite, we are referring to 3 apps that just naturally work together. These are, 1, the C3 AI reliability application. Here's where we pull in data, check the health of the sensors, and assess data quality. We run it through machine learning models, which will predict the health and performance of the equipment and raise an alert for our engineers and operators to investigate if needed. Once we have data integrated and the health of the equipment is being monitored, we can then optimize the process by building process models and running those through state-of-the-art optimization algorithms. This is C3 AI process optimization. Finally, we can add a few additional data streams, create some new features, analyze the historical performance of your equipment, and develop KPIs to help you assess the energy consumption and identify needed maintenance or operational adjustments to your equipment. This is done in C3 Energy Management. There's this natural progression of integrating all your data, predicting equipment health, optimizing performance, and monitoring for energy management. However, any of these applications can be deployed as a standalone app or as a suite of apps. It depends completely on your business needs, which we would help you identify in a free discovery and scoping session.